Hello children, I think all are fine. Stay home, be safe. I'm your English teacher. I'm going to show you one picture. So you have to tell, that is, let us know what is the difference between these two pictures. What is the difference you notice in these two pictures? So one picture is about the town and the other picture is about the country. Country here is referred to as village. In the first picture on the left side, we see the village atmosphere. There are small houses, women are working at a distance. We see some hills, there are some animals, there are no vehicles or the traffic. In the other picture on the right, there are big buildings. We see broad boards all filled with heavy traffic, and at a distance we see chimney emitting smoke, that is smoke coming out. Many vehicles like cars, lorries, buses, scooters, bikes, etc. are seen. We can see that the picture is that of a town or a city. So in this picture, one picture shows the life of village, the other picture shows the life of city. So children, where do you want to stay? Where do you think is the life peaceful? So today's our lesson is connected with this part, that is, today we are going to learn the first lesson, the town mouse and the country mouse. The town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. The town mouse had been ill and wanted to visit his cousin on his doctor's advice. He felt uncomfortable in the train as it was. The meaning of uncomfortable is unpleasant. Okay, so it was not an air conditional coach. The country mouse received him. You can see in the picture that his cousin, the country mouse, came to receive his cousin, and he wanted something cold to drink. That is, as soon as he get down from the train, he wanted something to drink. That he wanted something cold to drink. That is like cold drinks or lemonade, something cold. But the country mouse had water and coconut water because he lived in a village and village doesn't have that much of facilities. The town mouse did not like the root and sugarcane either. That is, when the country mouse was hungry, he asked something to eat. So what did the town mouse give? The country mouse did not have much to give for his cousin to eat, so he gave roots and sugarcane. So the town mouse did not like this to eat, so he didn't enjoy the dinner. He didn't like to sleep on the ground. So the country mouse, he doesn't have much place, so he offered his cousin to sleep on the ground. So that is, the town mouse did not like to sleep on the ground, which was shown by the country mouse as a sleeping place. He wondered about the quietness of the country. That is, you know that the village is always quiet. It is a quiet place. We cannot see any traffic there or any sound pollution there. So it was a quiet place, and this town mouse, he did not like the quietness of the country. He did not like the country surroundings at all, and so he left the place immediately. So the country mouse, he did not like, that is, the town mouse, he did not like the place. He did not like the sleeping place. He did not like the dinner what his cousin gave, and he did not, that is, the whole country was very silent, so he did not like the place and he left the place immediately. Children, कंट्री बोले तो यहाँ पे गांव से रिफ़र होता है और टाउन बोले तो शहर. ओके, सो ये दोनों भाई का स्टोरी है. जो एक भाई गांव में रहता है एंड द अदर शहर में रहता है. सो फर्स्ट द कंट्री माउस, दैट इज़ विलेज में जो भाई रहता है वो अपने भाई के, दैट इज़ टाउन. सो पार्ट 1 में टाउन माउस मतलब जो माउस शहर में रहता है वो अपने भाई के पास कंट्री को जाता है. कंट्री मीन्स विलेज. वहाँ पे वो जाता है और वहाँ पे उसको जब वो ट्रेन में जाता है, ही फील्स वेरी अनकम्फर्टेबल, मीन्स असुविधाजनक. उसको कोई चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगती क्योंकि वहाँ पे एयर कंडीशन कोच नहीं रहता. उसको पीने के लिए कोई ठंडा कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स नहीं मिलते उसको वहाँ पे. सो वो जैसे स्टेशन पे उतरता है उसका भाई उसको रिसीव करने के लिए आता है, दैट इज़ कंट्री माउस, द माउस हु लिव्स इन द विलेज। सो वहाँ पे उतरने के बाद वो अपने भाई से कुछ पीने के लिए मांगता है, तो कंट्री माउस वो उसको पानी देता है या फिर कोकोनट वाटर। तो ये टाउन माउस को दोनों भी नहीं चाहिए, तब गांव में नहीं मिलते हैं। देन उसको घर जाते हैं, उसके बाद खाने के लिए उसको भूख लगती है, तो वो खाने के लिए कुछ मांगता है, तो उसका टाउन माउस को कंट्री माउस देता है रूट्स और शुगर केन। रूट्स किसको बोलते हैं? जो पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट है विच ग्रोज अंडर द ग्राउंड, ओके। और शुगर केन तो सबको मालूम है, गन्ना। सो उसको फिर सोने के लिए जगह चाहिए थी, उसका भाई उसको सोने के लिए सिर्फ ग्राउंड पे सुला सकता था, तो उसको वो भी जगह पसंद नहीं आती। फिर थोड़ी देर के बाद वो पूछता है कि ये कंट्री में इतना साइलेंस क्यों है, बिकॉज एवरीवेयर देयर वाज साइलेंस। तो वो बोलता है कि कंट्री में ऐसे ही रहता है, तो ये पसंद नहीं आती। और इमीडिएटली वो अपने भाई से बोलता है कि मेरे को वापस अपने टाउन को जाना है, और वो चला जाता है।